Well, Sunshine Ray, what do you say?
Sunshine Ray says... How long before my tulips bloom, Mr. Ryan?
Oh, didn't I tell you, Ray? Those tulip bulbs won't bloom until next year.
Next year? That's too long.
Wait.
I've been waiting, Johnny.
No, listen. What if we build a time machine?
A time machine?
Yeah, I saw it in a movie. Didn't look that hard.
Yes. Then I won't have to wait to see my tulips. This looks amazing.
But will it work?
Of course it will. Look at all the stickers on the side.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Beep, boop, boop, beep.
Preparing to go forward 1 year. Boop. Hold on tight, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2. Pew! Okay, I think we're here. Look, Marcy from the future.
Do you think they've invented flying cars yet? Or vegetables that taste like chocolate?
Let's go see my tulips.
Are we in the wrong place? Mr. Ryan, how long have we been gone?
In there? Oh, I'd say about 3 minutes.
I told you.
Ray, your dinner's ready.
Dinner? Already?
Well, time flies when you're having fun.
Ma said that too. Maybe if I do something fun every day, then the waiting for my tulips will be easy.
Sunshine Ray, what do you say? Sunshine Ray says it's a wonderful day. Sunshine Ray, what do you say? Sunshine Ray says it's a